It's now being called the pandemic of the unvaccinated by leaders at the local, state, and federal levels. 90% of new cases in Colorado among those who have not been vaccinated, more than 80% nationwide. The push continues to get more people vaccinated, with our state announcing this week $100 Walmart gift cards to those who received the first or second dose. College scholarships now available across our state. More than 3 million people in Colorado are fully vaccinated now. That's good news, but remember the science. The 3 available vaccines provide strong protection against the Delta variant. That is the primary diagnosis right now in Colorado among the unvaccinated. Pop-up and mobile vaccine clinics are available. You need to check the state health department website or your particular county's website for more information. Now, you don't need an appointment, you don't need insurance, all you have to do is show up. The Delta variant numbers are driving the growth across this country as well. More than 27,000 new cases every day, most of the cases in 3 states, Texas, Missouri, and Florida. Fatalities nationwide, they're up nearly 50% the past week, averaging 239 every day. The infection rate is up 200%. Discussions are now underway here and across the country on the proposed plan for return to school, which for some, it's now less than a month away. The American Academy of Pediatrics this week recommended students and teachers aged 2 and up wear masks if they're vaccinated or not. That is not a recommendation, however, so far with the CDC that they've signed off on. Yet here in Colorado, the state health department following CDC guidelines for now, but is continuing to leave it up to local school districts. Finally, Governor Polis said at this point, with our positivity rate still around 3%, if not lower, he is not considering implementing any new or reverting to any prior restrictions or mandates for businesses, leaving that to individual counties. All right, looking ahead this week for you, it is the first full week of the Summer Olympics in Tokyo. COVID restrictions are still front and center there. More positive cases emerge. World health leaders monitoring that situation closely. As for the games themselves, we got you covered all week long. Live newscasts every day at 4, 5, and 6 from the U.S. Olympic Paralympic Museum downtown, keeping a close eye on what's happening here at home in Olympic City, USA. Join us for our nightly Olympic Zone with Jake Gaden, featuring our premier local Olympic athletes, the highlights of the day from Tokyo, and interviews with former Olympians here at home to give a broader perspective of what's happening every day in Tokyo. Stay with News 5 all week long for our continuing coverage. Always watching out for you, I'm Rob Quirk.